now we'll get into steaming the milk. There's 3 processes in preparing the milk for a single cappuccino. And the first is after you have the pitcher like this, and the steam wand is in the milk, and after you turn on the steam wand and start steaming, the first process that you're going to do is kind of hold it. I like to hold the pitcher in this groove here and hold it at an angle and get the milk rolling, so it's kind of spinning inside the pitcher while the tip of the steam wand is submerged in the milk. Right when you can feel the milk break into the same temperature as your hand, which is about 100 degrees, right when you can feel it warm up, you'll drop it down to start stretching or introducing air, and that's where you're making the foam in the milk. And that's what you're going to do. You're not going to have to do as much for a lighter, like a skim milk or something like that. Foam is created more foam is created more evenly with a lighter milk. And then the third process is you push the pitcher back up, submerge the steam wand once again, and then get it spinning again. And that's going to blend your foam with your steam milk and kind of get a nice consistency throughout the milk. So I'll demonstrate that.